Essential tips every budding entrepreneur needs. In the exciting realm of startups, every entrepreneur dreams of making their mark. Start with why. The golden circle principle. As an entrepreneur, identifying the why behind your venture will not only act as your compass but also resonate with your potential clients and partners. Embracing failures, the Silicon Valley mantra. Every setback is an opportunity to pivot and refine. The power of networking, making the right connections. Building connections, attending industry conferences, and being an active member of entrepreneurial communities can create unforeseen opportunities. Financial wisdom, balancing the books. According to a study by CB Insights, 29% of startups fail because they run out of capital. Self-care and entrepreneurship, a match made for success. The entrepreneurial journey, especially in dynamic sectors like technology and media, is filled with its share of ups and downs. Start growing your business with silentpartner.